I'll guide you through how to sell on TikTok Shop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start selling on TikTok Shop, first download the TikTok Shop Seller Center app from the App Store or Play Store. Open the app and sign up using your TikTok account or a valid phone number. Once logged in, set up your store by entering your store name, an active phone number, and both your pickup and return address. Next, upload a valid identity card to verify your account. After verification, tap on Products and select Add Product to list your first item. Make sure to upload a clear, high-quality photo or video of the product. Good lighting makes a big difference. Create a product title that's eye-catching and includes relevant keywords to help people find it easily. In the product description, provide all essential details such as size, dimensions, available colors, materials used, and instructions for use. Set your price and stock quantity, and consider adding a discount to attract more buyers. Choose a shipping partner and ensure your item is ready to ship once you receive an order. Congratulations! You're now ready to sell your first product on TikTok Shop and grow your business.